Hi there, I'm Brian from the Lincolnwood Library, here today to talk to you about Creativebug. If you're a creative person, you probably have all sorts of ideas for different projects. But you might want a guiding hand, examples, step-by-step instructions, or even more inspiration. We'll go over what Creativebug is, the basics of using it, and common questions about it today. We'll keep this practical and mostly non-technical, and this will be good for you as long as you know just a little bit about technology. We'll teach mostly from a desktop computer, but also show how some parts of Creativebug work on an iPad, an iPhone, and an old Google Android tablet. If you're ready to engage your creativity, Creativebug is for you. Let's get started. Creativebug is a crafting website that allows you to watch videos to help further your creative works. It's owned by Joanne Fabrics, a company that's focused on creativity. With your Lincolnwood Library card, you can enjoy access to thousands of classes and lessons and videos. You can watch them basically anywhere in the iOS store from Google Play and on Apple TV. There are no expiration dates for any of the classes, and you can get them wherever you are. Creativebug is available as a standalone service, but Lincolnwood, Illinois residents can use it with your library card. To do that, you'll want to go to your web browser and go to lincolnwoodlibrary.org. Then, under Research and Learning, you can go to Quick Links. And we have a link straight to Creativebug. From the Lincolnwood Library Creativebug page, you can quickly log in with your full library card number, but we'll also show you how to set up your full account. So from this page here, you can click into the library card field and type in your full library card number, 212420000, and then your 6 unique digits. And then press Login. And it logs you into your account. To create your full account with a password, so you can log in on mobile devices, click on your profile circle in the upper right, and click on Access My Account. From the account page, scroll down and view your account info by pressing Edit Account Info. Type in your email address and choose a password and confirm that same password and hit Save Changes or Cancel. Even after you've created your account, you can just type in your full library card number on desktop or laptops from the Lincolnwood Library Creativebug page. On mobile devices, you can install the app. I have here an old Android tablet and a fairly recent iPhone. On the Android tablet, you can go to the Google Play Store, and on iPads and iPhones, you can go to the App Store. And from there, find the search menu. On Android, it's usually at the top, and on iPads, it might be at the top. On iPhones, it is in the lower right. And press into search and type in Creativebug and search. And its icon is this white C with various red backgrounds. On Android, I'll just press install. And on iPhone here, I've installed this before, so I have the cloud download arrow. It may be a price if you have not installed it before. So it's just this button right here, and you install that. So now on both the Android device and the iPhone, the application has been installed. The app may be installed to one of your home screens. As soon as you have it, you can press it to open up. To log in with the account that you created elsewhere, you have to enter the email address you gave Creativebug and then the password that you created for them. This will be censored. And once you've entered your password, press login. And you're all ready to go and use Creativebug on your mobile device. Now, if you forget to go to the Lincolnwood Library Creativebug landing page, you can also just manually go to Creativebug and press login and enter in your email address of your account and your password. And hit sign in. And it logs you in through the Lincolnwood Library. Now that we've covered all the ways you can get to Creativebug and log in, let's dive right in. This is the Creativebug homepage. You start out on Explore, and this is where you can kind of browse some things that they have highlighted. You can click to My Classes to see what you have recently watched and what is on your watch list. You can go to the gallery to see other projects that people have posted and add your own if you would like. This is not required. You don't have to do this. You can see what other people have posted. At the top, you can see the logo to go back to the home page. You can see the classes organized by different sections. You can click through to Daily Practice, which has series that are just short prompts each day. And you can see other resources, including their pattern library. And in the upper right, you can see things related specifically to your account. So from the home page, I'll pick an item to show how Creativebug pages work. So each page has a title, and you can see reviews and star rankings, and you can see the instructor. The main part here is the video. Beneath that, you have the description. Again, you see who it's taught by, and the skill level, how long it is, what you'll actually be doing in the description. Beneath that, you can see discussion, and these are comments by people. Now, you do not have to do this. You can also see who's recently taken the class for people who have made that info public. And you can see related classes. Now, if I scroll up here, this is just the description tab. There are more tabs with even more information related to this particular video item. So I can click through to chapters, and if you want to skip the overview, you can go straight to materials and other sections of the class. But I'll just click back to overview, and I will go now to materials. You can see what you will need. Hopefully you have all the supplies. You can click through to the gallery, and this is specifically for items that have been completed from this video. So you can see these are very well done projects here. Clicking discussion just scrolls you down. You can add your own custom note if you want to, something that you'd like to remember. And hit save. And it also tracks the time where you put it. So if you're having trouble, you can come back. You can say, hey, I needed to buy the supplies for this part, and come back. You can edit or delete your notes and confirm. You can add a class to your watch list just by clicking there. And you can see the transcript. So the transcript shows you exactly what the instructor is saying, and you can skip to the certain part by clicking on the particular piece of text. And you can also download a PDF of the class, and you can save it or directly open it. But for now, I'll just hit cancel. So that is an overview of Creativebug item pages. So this is what a Creativebug page looks like on mobile devices. You can scroll down and see all of the different parts of the lesson and skip to one. You can see the description, and you can see the gallery, and you can see any comments that have been left. You can see the class materials that are required. And you can even download classes for offline viewing. Download to My Classes. And once you do that, they will take a little bit to load for offline viewing. Or you could turn that off, of course, at any time. You can also see the PDFs of the plans and diagrams for the Creativebug projects that you are working on. And you'll press the back button to exit out of that and go back to the video. Alright, so now let's take a look at actually playing a Creativebug video. And right away, this was the video that I showed before, refreshed, and it asks me if I want to resume or play again. When you're logged in, it knows what you watched in the past, so it can do things like this. So if you wanted to resume from where you were before, you could hit that, or you could hit play again like I am going to. And it pulls up the video interface here, this rectangle. Your triangle button here is play, and when you hover over these buttons, they give you little notifications above what they do. So you can rewind 10 seconds, go to the next item as well. But first, let's just hit play. So again, play and pause.
Hi.
And you can see how far you are into the video and how long it's going to be. You can also adjust the volume.
I'm Twinkie Chan. I'm a crochet designer and author. Plus, I'm a huge donut fanatic. I'm super excited to
You can
combine
also play
these
and
forces.
pause by just pressing in the middle of the video. You can enable closed captions and see other settings for quality and closed captions. And I'll just do English closed captions.
To show you how to crochet a super cute donut rattle.
And you can see related videos, but I'll just press back and the X. And again, that settings button goes to the same menu as the closed captions. You can also go full screen by pressing this button here.
You can also turn this into a fun dog.
And you either press the exit full screen button or your escape key on your keyboard to exit out of full screen.
Toy by inserting a squeaker.
You can also use your spacebar on your laptop or desktop keyboard to play and pause a video.
Or you can just leave it plain. It makes.
You see at the bottom, the gray is how much of the video has loaded. The blue is what you've played through. And all the way to the end is how far the video actually goes. And other than using the transcript, you can also just press into this bar to skip ahead and then hit play again.
Half double crochets.
And if you want to move on, you can go to the next video.
To crochet your donut rattle.
So that's how the video interface works in Creativebug. Here's the mobile Creativebug interface.
Hi, I'm Twinkie.
You press the triangle button to play and the two-line button to pause. You can press in the middle of your screen to bring up the controls, such as your volume and going full screen.
Twinkie Chan, I'm a crochet.
And you press the back arrow to exit out. Now let's go back to the Creativebug homepage for a bit. I earlier just picked a random video from the homepage to demo for you, but you might want to use the search to find something specific. So the Creativebug search menu is at the top of most screens. You can click into the search box and type in whatever keywords that you want to search for. I will search for making a collage, and you could either hit your enter key or press the magnifying glass to enter your search. Now, this was just a general search. Before the search menu here to the left, there are options for what of their search categories you use. So the default is classes. You could do images, instructors, or their blog posts, but it defaults to classes because that's probably what you're looking for, full classes. So you could click through to see a class, and that interface is just what we were looking at before. But I'll press back to go back to the search. After you have search results, there are controls to refine your search, including filter results, which shows basically all of the data about the different classes that Creativebug has. So you can narrow down to classes for beginners or multiple part classes, things that are quick, lessons that teach you techniques, and you can go by the category of project. And if you have a favorite instructor, you can limit down to one of the instructors. So I'll just go for beginners, and there we go, it narrows down the results. You can clear out your filter if you change your mind, and there is also the ability to sort the results. So by default, it is going by relevance compared to the keyword search you did. You can do newest to oldest, or oldest to newest, or you can go by which classes are the most popular. You can filter by skill level, and you can see the classes pertaining to your search by the ratings. If you don't first find what you're looking for, try searching again. You can do as many searches as you like before clicking through to a specific class and viewing the content and doing the project in Creativebug. After you've been using Creativebug a bit, you might be interested in managing your account. From most pages in Creativebug, your account is in the upper right corner. You can press the down arrow and go to Access My Account. You can see your classes, the classes that you have recently watched, and you can see your watch list in case you couldn't find something that you had marked to watch later. If you have uploaded things to the gallery, you can see all of them here, and you have the ability from here to add more images there as well. Under Community, you can see Creativebug crafters and instructors and the feed. And when you go to your account, you can see your information and modify your interests if you'd like. Under Profile Preferences, you can hit Edit Preferences, and you may want to unclick these options to enhance your privacy, and then hit Save Changes. The billing and subscription information menu is confusing because the library is providing your subscription, so you don't have to worry about that. You can hit Cancel. the library is happy to be providing Creativebug for the community. And we look forward to seeing your creative projects. So that's an overview of more of what you can do in your Creativebug account. Depending on where you're using Creativebug, you may need to log out. And they put that under your profile and log out. And it takes you back to the Creativebug homepage. So thanks for watching this video on using Creativebug. We showed you how to get to the Lincolnwood Library Creativebug page from our quick links, and how to access and log into Creativebug on different devices. We showed you how to navigate it and find lessons to spark your creativity. And we took you through the specifics of using Creativebug video lessons. So we hope you've learned a lot about Creativebug today, and you'll get a lot out of it. Lincolnwood residents can reach out to us at 847-677-5277 or email us at asd@lincolnwoodlibrary.org for more help and resources, including one-on-ones. You can post on social media with the hashtag LincolnwoodCreates if you want to show off what you've made. And we've got more resources and events on our website. And of course, you can search the catalog for books on creative subjects as well. So thanks for watching this video on using Creativebug.